I think there's lots of ties to it, but I've never really explored it with lucid dreaming. But I really do like that he had a chance to talk about lucid dreaming, so thank you.
Thank you. From Fabio, is the gut-brain response to telepathic signal significantly higher than the main brain?
Yes, so that's a great question. That is what we're aiming for. That's my goal. And so again, back to 2005 when Dean and Marilyn were, that was part of the design, is whether they could get basically a higher impact than they were getting with the previous experiments that involved kind of, out of the first brain. So the pilot study did indicate that it was more robust. Now you saw when I directed you to the different parts of the graph where when they initially looked at the positive versus negative, they wanted to dig into the data more deeply, and they separated out sad stimuli versus angry, and that's when they popped up the most significant effect. So the pilot study indicates the answer is yes. But to get really scientific about it, when you dig into data like that, to uncover something, it's great as a provocative, quick thing to then follow up on. You can't say that, oh, we found this, so we're proving it, because it's kind of data mining, or you kind of looking around for what you want to see. So that's why setting up this study, we say, okay, now we know what we want to see. We're going to just focus on SAD. We pre-register the analysis so that we say this is what we're looking for, and we're looking to test this hypothesis. Once we get data that yes, that's what we found, then I'd be able to answer your question with more confidence. I would say that, yeah, we actually tested it. It's an experimental design that was set up particularly to look at that with enough power, and we've got statistics to back it up. But this is really the only effort in this area, so we're just months away from being able to answer that with confidence. And the more of you that want to come in the lab and get in our chair, then we'll get to that answer faster.
Well, fantastic. I am afraid we are at the end of our time. Garrett, any last words of wisdom or insight from you at this point in time?
Just follow your gut.
Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Garrett. And thank you to everyone who participated in today's webinar. We're really grateful that you are here with us. We had so many more wonderful questions. So I imagine we'll be doing something else on this topic in the not so distant future. So thank you again, Garrett. As I mentioned at the beginning of our time together, ION's free programs like this one and all of our scientific research are almost entirely funded by gifts from our members and donors. So we hold huge gratitude to everyone who supports the mission of IONS, and we hope that you can make a special gift now as part of our crucial year-end fundraiser. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you again, Garrett. Have a lovely December, everybody, and we will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.